Here I am at one of the most recommended hotel in Alleppey, Kerala, Hotel Brothers. As suggested, it was really crowded and we could not even get a separate seat, so we had to sit with other people, whoever table was free. Then for me, I ordered rice and fish curry. The rice was looking so big that it almost looked like puff rice, muri. And then the piece of the fish that they gave me was looking almost like a chicken. So I was asking deviously, is it really fish? And yeah, it was. The most disappointing part of this hotel was that I ordered for salad and they told me that any form of salad is not available, but it was there in the menu. So it was like a big blow off. Like if I'm eating something heavy, then I always prefer to have salad on the side. So my rating would be 7 out of 10.